Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by meeting prerequisites. Reach the unlock wave and gather the resources. Make sure you have 150 metal, 50 wiring, and 10 tech cores ready. Once done, clear and reserve a contiguous 3x3 area positioned at a choke point so the camera can cover incoming paths. You should place a temporary marker or scaffold to hold the spot. This first step gets you from intent to action quickly, letting you begin placement without backtracking later. Next, craft and place the camera. Open the build menu, choose defensive devices, then camera. At your bench, combine wiring and a tech core with the metal to assemble one unit. Crafting takes a few seconds, so queue multiple if needed. When placing, rotate the camera to cover the widest approach and align it to your power conduit. You want cameras facing lanes with highest traffic. Once placed and powered, they instantly start scanning and marking enemies for automated to finish by linking the camera to turrets or alarms using a network node so its detections trigger responses. After connecting, test coverage with a scout wave or simulation. Watch the feed to confirm detection and target relay. If the camera fails, first verify power and network links, then check its orientation and line of sight. Obstructed views are the most common issue. If damaged during combat, recraft and replace immediately. This final sweep ensures continuous coverage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.